and welcome to Chord on Guitar. So this time we have a new song from KSI featuring Youngblood and Polo G called Patience. So this one is a song with great energy to it, and yeah, let's delve into it. So the chords are 6 different chords, and we have the capo set here on the 3rd fret. And the chords are E minor, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, and open rest down from D and down. And then we have the A minor, so open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E, like this. And then we have the D chord, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E, like this. And then we go to the G chord, so 3rd E, 2nd A, open D and G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So that's the G chord, and then we have 2 more left. It's the C, so 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's the C chord, and finally the B minor. Here in the B minor, you bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. So you bar the 2nd fret, and then we have the 4th fret here on the D, 4th on the G, and 3rd on the B. So that's B minor. So this song has the same strumming pattern through the whole song, verse and chorus. So we're gonna go through the verse first and go through the chord progression there, and then through the chorus, the chord progression there, and then finally we're gonna look at the strumming pattern. So the verse starts with E minor, then to the A minor, then to the D chord, and to the G chord. This round you play 2 times. And when you play 2 times, you come to this part when it sings when the night falls. So when the night falls there. Here you only play 1 downstroke like this. And this part differs from the rest, because the rest is the same strumming pattern. I'm going to show you how you play it afterwards, but here you just play 1 downstroke. So 1 C down, and then you play. And this chord is optional. You can play like this, or you can play just a normal G chord. I like this version, I would like to play it like this, so you do as you like. And what that is, you just move up the C chord like it is, 2 frets up, and you play there a variation of D. So when night falls, and then we are at the chorus. So if we go through the verse, it will sound like this: E minor, A minor, D, G. One more time: E minor, A minor, D, and G. C, and then we come to the chorus line. So when we play the chorus, we have a chord progression that looks like this: E minor, C, D, and B minor. This you play 2 times, so 2 rounds. So one more time: E minor, C, D, and B minor. And then we come to the part when it sings, "And my heart won't change." So, and my C won't change D. minor 2 times. So from the part "and my heart won't change," it will be like this: C, D, B minor, and then one round more with this chord progression you have in the chorus. So A minor, C, D, B minor. So the chorus is like 2 rounds of E minor, C, D, B minor. Then 1 round of C, D, B minor, B minor. And finally 1 round of E minor, C, D, B minor. So the chorus will be like this if you look at the whole thing. So that's it when it comes to the chords. So the strumming pattern. In this one, it's like I told you in the beginning, it's a very energetic song and it's pretty heavy on the bass. But I would like to not only play the bass strings all the time, so I alternate sometimes in the strumming pattern with this top strings down here. So the pattern looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So one more time. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And if I play it slowly for you, it will sound like this. So on. And you saw here when I alternated the bass and the top strings, I play bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. So. Standard tempo it will sound like this. And so on. And if you play it with some chord progression, it will sound like this. So that pretty much covered this song, Patience. It's a great song if you can handle all these chords. It's actually a lot of chords, more than usual for being a popular song like this. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, please leave me a comment or thumb up, or even better, be a subscriber to this channel and help me to go on with this project. So no matter what, as always, you know it, play tune.